Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to play Makossa like that will sound like a lead guitar. All right. Okay, so let's today we will assume that we have a bass guitarist. So we are going to be playing chords mainly on the left hand. Then we'll do some stuff with the right hand like a lead guitarist will play. Okay, so before we start, I want you to set your keyboard. I'm using jazz guitar voice. For Yamaha S series, you can use piano. Piano. I think there's one other voice. I can't remember the name right now. Okay, so then we are going to add what is called harmony. In your keyboard, you can see a button called harmony. Press on the harmony button and you will see harmony type. Choose echo and set it to 1/8, so it will sound like this. Then put on the harmony echo 1/8, so it will sound like this. Yeah. Okay. This particular song I want to play was done in the key of B, but for simplicity and to make teaching easy, I have transposed the keyboard to key of C, so that it will be easy for me to teach, and also for everybody to play along and to follow along. Okay, so we've set everything. So we are playing chords on the right hand. Remember, the Makossa is usually, if you can split your keyboard and choose another voice, like another jazz guitar voice, but this time around you'll not use a harmony on this left hand, so that you won't be having this echo. But I'm just gonna leave that. So I'll play along a song for let's say 1 minute, and I'll show you how I apply the groove, and I'll break the groove down for you. So, all right, so let's play the song. Let's see. All right, so you could see what I was doing there. It's just grooves. There's nothing going on. So most of the time this grooves comes as improvisation. It's not something you cram. Okay, so but you first have to learn them, then gradually it will come into flow. So the first groove, if I can remember, it's something like this in key of C. So remember our progression: the 1 4 5 4 1, just like that. Every other thing you're playing is along this chord progression. So it's something like this. So that's the first part. So the 3, 5, and the 2. That's the mi, so, and re. So move down to the 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. So next part, the same thing. 3, 5. That's 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Instead of coming to the 2. So the first one, then the next part, or you can end with the 5. So that's one of the grooves. Then your right hand, left hand. Then there's one other groove, if I could remember, I think. Okay. Okay, so it's like this. The 5, because the thing about Makossa, what brings about beauty of Makossa, sometimes you come down a little bit, then when it gets hot you climb up. That's you play the higher octave. So the 5. Okay, no, the 5, 2, 4. I can't even remember it now. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah. Oh, something like that. So starting with the 6th, the A, the 2, 4, 3, 4. Let's do that again. Then you move down. 2, 1, 7. Then you do it again. This time around, 3, 2, 1. So the reason why I can't actually get what I was even playing again is because I was just improvising. So you could learn these 2 grooves I've played, you add your own, you turn it around, but make sure it is following the 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. Sometimes the 4, the notes that go with the 4 are the 1, the 4, and the 6. The 2 can go as well. That's why one of this first groove, we started with the 2. It goes with this 4. So then the notes that will go with the 5, the 2, 5, 7, then the 1, 3, 5. So make sure you practice these grooves and try to play them alongside with your left hand playing the chords. So if you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. Subscribe, drop comments, and like the video. God bless you, and see you next time. Thank you.